Hi, my name is Achala and I am from Gubbi, Tumkur district, Karnataka. I am a musician by profession and the director of an educational institution, HVS Education Society. So, um, I started meditating from a very few days. So, before then, I've never heard of what is meditation. So, why do we require meditation? That and all I've never thought in life. So, I had experienced the bad days in life, which triggered me so much, which triggered my self respect basically. And that made me sad for a while. And I started thinking of the meditation. I was searching for a proper guidance for the meditation, and then when I got to know about the Anapanasati meditation. So, in Anapanasati meditation, you know what, you can do meditations whenever, wherever, and whatever the time might be. Anapanasati it tells you to be on the breath. So, be on the breath, it mainly says that you have to focus on the present moment. Whatever the meditation method might be, it all says in the finally, you have to be on the breath or you have to be in the present moment, live in the moment, don't think of your past. So basically, you have to learn from the past and live in the present and learn and plan about the future. So life is all about you have to forget your past and plan your future and you have to live in the present moment. So that's what I learned from Anapanasati meditation. And I just saw my progress in very few days. Obviously, whenever we sit for meditation, we can't just meditate without thinking of anything, with no thoughts. We can't meditate for the few days. Yeah, that I agree because I have experienced it. And very few seconds or few minutes, I started observing the breath whenever I meditate. So whenever I'm sitting for the first few days, I used to sit for 6 to 7 hours for a meditation. So then I could able to observe my breath only for like probably half an hour in a 7 hours, and then gradually I decreased my thoughts from 100% to probably some 50% after few days. I just forgiven everybody in life who has caused me pain, who has made me suffer so much, and the very next day, I started thinking of my future. So I started thinking of my future, like how do I live next? What do I do next? So I started forgetting my past thoughts, and it made me think of future, which gives me so much of happiness. So back then, after that, I have never even thought of my past, and I am just focusing on my future. Even when I sit for meditation, I get thoughts. It doesn't mean that I never get thoughts whenever and I sit meditate for all 7 hours in a day, uh, like without thoughts. But I used to cut the thoughts and come back to the breath as meanwhile, then I started focusing on the breath. Then I started observing the changes in me. I I have observed the calmness in me, and I got some peace. And I'm aware of what I'm doing. I'm mindful. I started eating mindful where before and all I used to eat, okay, with a quantity. You should eat this much, you should eat this much, or it will become fat. Now I'm eating mindfully, like mindful eating, mindful walking, mindful doing whatever, be it anything, I'm doing mindfully. So these are the benefits that I've got from meditation. I started seeing things in a different perspective and started accepting however they are, the person, however they are, I started accepting however they are and then different. I am not expecting them to be like how they should be. So acceptance comes, gradually. And all my negative emotions and all my negative thoughts have reduced after me doing meditation. So basically, meditation is a non-doing process that I learned. And it's not that you have to do because you are breathing anyways, and it's a natural phenomenon that you are breathing. And it's not that you are doing meditation, it's just a meditation, is what I learned after starting meditation. Whatever I have come through in life after that, I had very sleepless nights and I have come through a, a few, sadness and depressing kind of things where I have overcome now gradually, and I'm sleeping very peacefully, and I'm sleeping at least a quality sleep. It's not about the quantity sleep. I'm having the quality sleep, even though I sleep less, very peaceful, and I'm have been controlling my anger since then, and my anxiety and my emotions, basically all my emotions did, I think. And I stopped thinking, basically, whenever it's a human tendency, whenever we have a problem, no, we'll ask, why me? Why me? So when we are happy, we'll never ask why me. In all the sadness, we'll ask why me. So I stopped expecting like I shouldn't have faced this problem. Instead, I started thinking problems as an opportunity instead of thinking a problem as a problem. So I learned that we should accept the problems and we should convert it as an opportunity. And I also stopped thinking why me only for sadness and when it is not for happiness. Starting days, I was unable to sit for a long time. So I used to get something like back pain or something like that. And later on, I started increasing. I used to get up after half an hour of meditation, after 1 hour of meditation. Now, even if I sit for 2 hours, I'll be still. I get thoughts, but I'll be still. Like physically, I'll be still. Whatever the disturbance comes, I won't be affected by that. I am very happy with whatever the progress I have been through. I suggest everybody to meditate and keep themselves calm, happy, and have a peaceful life. Thank you.